As a healthcare professional, it is crucial to take the necessary safety precautions to prevent the contraction of an infection or illness. Knowing the correct method of donning and removing PPEs or personal protection equipment is an integral way to avoid the transmission of dangerous diseases. In this video tutorial, you will learn about the process and materials needed to wear and take off your PPEs safely. Let's begin. The materials you need are a gown, a face mask, goggles, and a pair of latex gloves. Begin by removing the gown from its sterile packaging and let it unfold. Be careful not to let the gown touch the ground and try to move it as minimally as possible. Doing this avoids dangerous airborne particles from latching onto the gown. First, tie the strap which is located by the neck and the tie that in a bow behind you. If you have long hair, make sure to tie it up and make this process as comfortable as possible. After you have tied up the strap which is around the neck, take the edges of the gown which is hanging around you and wrap it around your waist. Make sure that they completely cover the posterior portion of your body. After it is completely covered, take the waist strap and tie it the same way as the neck. First, secure the ties or elastic bands, depending on which type of mask you are using, around the middle of the back of your head or behind your ears. Be sure to restructure the bendable portion of your mask around your nose bridge so that it closes off your mouth and nose from questionable particles. Also remember to verify the bottom of your mask falls below your chin for the same reason. After you've made sure that your mask is properly covering your mouth, nose, and chin, it is time to don your gloves. After you've gotten the right size, place your hands inside the gloves, make sure you are not wearing any jewelry, and completely cover the cuffs of your gown. This ensures that no pathogens will be able to get in your gown by the openings of your hands. You're now ready to carry out your medical procedures. Remove your gloves first. Pinch the palm of one hand with your opposite hand and pull off the glove inside out. Hold this glove in your other gloved hand. Next, slide the fingers of your ungloved hand under the remaining glove of your wrist. Make sure your bare hands and fingers don't come in contact with any other part of the body because these areas are still contaminated. After you slide your fingers inside the glove, peel the glove off over the first glove so that it is inside out and dispose of the gloves immediately. Removing the gown. The interior portion of the gown and sleeves are now contaminated. The first thing you should do is unfasten the ties. Because the straps are posterior to the body, they are not contaminated. Remove the straps in opposite order you fasten them. First, unfasten the strap by your waist, then the one by your neck. Pull your gown away from the neck and shoulders and make sure to only touch the insides of the gown because it is not contaminated. Turn the gown inside out to safely roll the gown into a bundle, and then discard the gown in the designated waste container. Lastly, you have to remove the face mask. Keep in mind that just like every other piece of equipment, the front of the mask is deemed contaminated. Grasp your ties and pull the mask away from your body and dispose of it in the designated container.